Now let us talk about rule 3. This is another interesting rule. We have b over square root a. This time around we're going to see how to neutralize the denominator, okay, which is also known as rationalization. Okay, so we multiply the numerator b and the denominator square root a by the denominator, which is square root a. So we multiply the numerator by square root a and the denominator by square root a. So with this we rationalize the denominator. Okay, so b times square root a will give us b square root a. Alright, then the denominator square root a times square root a will give us a. The square root disappears, it neutralizes the square root. Okay, so this is the third rule. So now let us see its application. Okay, say for instance we are to rationalize 5 over square root 7. What do we do with this? We multiply, you can see in the rule, the numerator by the denominator, and also, pardon, this is supposed to be 7. Okay, so which is square root 7. We also multiply the denominator by square root 7. So the numerator we now have 5 times square root 7, which gives us 5 square root 7 over at the denominator square root 7 times square root 7 gives us 7. So this cannot be further simplified. Good. Alright, so let us see another brief example. This time around also we are to rationalize 6 over square root 3. What happens at the denominator is what is called rationalization. When you multiply the numerator and the denominator by the denominator, you are rationalizing. Okay, so now we rationalize this. So we have the numerator and the denominator to be multiplied by the denominator square root 3. Okay, so at the numerator we have 6 times square root 3, we have 6 square root 3 over, at the denominator we have square root 3 times square root 3, which gives us 3. Is this the final answer? No, we can see that this can still be further simplified. Okay, so 3 goes in here 1, 3 goes in 6, that is 2. So the final answer is 2 square root 3. Alright, so this is what you need to know about rule 3.